A team of girls from Vietnam were concerned that the current AI-based image recognition models in their phones did not recognize Vietnamese facial expressions. So they developed their own data set and trained their own AI model to be able to do so. Another team of girls from Samburu, Kenya, developed Trigger, an AI-based mobile application that uses audio classification to detect gunshots and screams in a bandit-ridden community and alert the police immediately. These are just two examples of the innovation that comes when you focus not just on the AI, but on builders of better AI. Through this panel, you will hear from members of the AI Forward Alliance, the world's first and largest alliance empowering girls and women to not just be users of AI or prompt engineers, but to become builders of better AI. It is very clear that we can only truly innovate if the teams that are developing AI are more diverse and more representative of the whole world. Vulnerable populations in particular, such as girls and women, 50% of the world's population. The AI Forward Alliance aims to foster 25 million girls and women, giving them the skills, tools, and mentorship so they can bring innovation similar to the Vietnamese and Kenyan teams to the whole world. In this panel, you'll get to hear directly from the AI Forward Alliance members, Technovation, the Patrick J. McGovern Foundation, the Grameen Foundation, and UNICEF on what works to future scale millions of girls around the world.